Hello, you're welcome once again to another tutorial on Danicom platform. If today is the first time you are watching any of my videos, please click on the subscription button and hit on the notification bell so that anytime we post a video on tutorials that will help make your life very simple, you will get early notification. In this 1 minute or 2 video that I am going to teach you, you are going to learn how to activate iPhone's zoom in and zoom out camera feature. If you are wondering how to zoom in any image when you are taking a picture and you are unable to do so, kindly watch this video to the end. Quickly, let's go to the phone and I will show you what to do. Remember, iPhone has intentionally restricted users from zooming in when taking a picture. And so to activate that feature, quickly click on your settings, go to accessibility and click on accessibility shortcuts and then click on magnifier. Now you are done. Kindly go back, open your camera, try to take a picture by zooming in and out, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching this 1 minute video, and kindly share the video also as well as usual to educate somebody. On Danicom, we give you nothing but the step-by-step instructions that will help you.